Say hi. Hi, train. Hi, train. I think it was amazing.
It is the world's second largest surfing sand. Also, we also name it mobile vessel.
Because it always moves. Because the sand moves every year, right?
Yeah. You and me have a lot of questions about the construction work of the railway, right?
Indeed. Shall we go and ask somebody those questions?
Yes, you're right.
Very good. Let's go.
We arrived at Qiemo by the Hotan-Ruoqiang railway. We found some large squares surrounded by withered grass on both sides of the railway. To understand what they are for, Martin and I visited a local named Patiguli who works at the sand control station.
On our train ride from Hotan to here, we saw a lot of this, looks like hay, planted next to the railroad. So maybe our friend here can tell us more about what it actually is.
这个我们一般称呼它是沙帐，芦苇草方格做的沙帐，因为这是极冻的沙漠嘛，如果长时间的往这边推移，它就会埋没我们的线程，所以我们就是先采用这种草方格固沙的这种模式，来把就是没有造林的地方的这个沙漠先固定住。
I mean, just look at it, like how it is blowing and snaking around here and nothing is happening on this side. So that means what they're doing is working.
The sand freezing method of adopting thatched squares has been used in China for more than 40 years. It can make the ground rough and reduce the wind while keeping the water. Under its protection, plants can quickly take roots and grow up.
我们这里呢，曾经也是跟对面那个沙漠是一模一样的，只是通过我们4、5年的努力，才有了这样的一片绿洲。
这都是什么植物啊？
像这个是沙拐枣，然后这个高的呢就是胡杨。还有这个梭梭，今天我的师傅还在，他就是治沙站，就是刚刚成立，1998年栽第一棵苗子之后，他就是这里的第一批员工。块斑姜，
你好。现在日常主要的每天的工作要做哪些呢？
我们这个工作呢，就是随着季节的不同，我们干的工作也不一样。像我们现在就是进入夏季的林木市场管护，也就是在林间巡护管道的维修这一块。
Before a couple of years where we stand right now was just a desert. It was empty and it was barren and it looked like there was no hope. But today we can stand here and we can listen to the rustle of leaves in the place where there was only sand and wind. The effort that the people have put in over the course of the years has been incredible.
Grass barriers are very effective in protecting the arterial traffic lines. The railway builders adopted the sand control method along the Hotan-Ruoqiang railway. With the construction of grass squares nearly 15 million square meters, consisting of more than 13 million plants, a green barrier appears in the desert.
Hi, train. Hi, train.
Yeah,
hi, train.
Hello. Whoa.
We can hear you. You know, I took photos of this bridge, like down from the ground and up from the air, and it doesn't seem to have an end. How long is this thing?
咱们这个桥总共是全长是8.7公里，桥叫伊木拉克特大桥。类似这样的桥，咱们全线总共有五座，全长总共5座桥的长度是达到了49.7公里。
That is long, and that is a lot of bridges. So why are we building these bridges?
就是我们这个桥啊，就是为了过这个沙子，这个地方的风也很大。
So at these 5 locations, the wind and the amount of the sand would be the greatest threat to the railroad.
离咱们的原始地面大概有个8到10米左右，深度大概在40米左右。就是跟咱们以往的想象里面架个桥是下面流水过去，咱们这个地方是流沙过去。
Most part of the Hotan-Ruoqiang Railway is located in the no man's desert. In order to minimize the impact of the natural environment on the construction, the engineers used the building blocks to ensure the smooth completion of the construction in the sandy sea.
在咱们这条线也应用了，就是装配式桥墩，咱们把这个桩基做好了之后，就是相当于这个柱子直接可以吊装，然后上面的梁也是预制好的，然后就像咱们搭积木一样，就把它直接架上去。
Also, the bridge in Croatia, remember?
Was completely built in China and then delivered to Croatia. It has been just finalized recently, right? And the Chinese have built the pieces in China, delivered to Croatia, and it was installed there in cooperation between Chinese and Croatian companies.
Qiemo was once the area with serious wind and sand hazards in the county. Now, after several generations of efforts, a green corridor with a length of 23.5 kilometers and a width of about 10 kilometers was created above the desert. Railway builders meet the challenges of nature with wisdom and advanced technology and created this desert dragon. This trip was full of surprises for me.
Thank you everybody for doing this amazing work that not many people can see or know about without actually being physically present here. We did plant some trees together to add a little contribution to feel like we were a part of it as well. And I am grateful to be a part of this for the shared future.